Today we're going to take a tour of the Dream 2 model located in SkySail. If you're looking for a place that's well designed with flexibility and more space, then this is the place for you. Come on, let's go take a look. The Dream 2 is designed for buyers who want a step up in square footage and layout flexibility. The floor plan typically offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2 or optional 3-car garage, a dedicated den or flex room, a large open great room, and a generous covered lanai. It feels more expansive than some of the smaller models in SkySail. What stands out right away is the openness of the great room. You have a wide kitchen to living layout. You have strong sight lines to the lanai and plenty of wall space for furniture placement. Natural light coming in from the rear sliders. This layout works extremely well for entertaining guests, something many Naples, Florida buyers prioritize. The kitchen in the Dream 2 typically features a large island with seating, a walk-in pantry, ample cabinet storage, and modern finishes. Upgraded options for cabinetry, appliance, and countertops are available. For buyers relocating from older Naples communities, this is a big upgrade from compartmentalized kitchens or smaller prep areas. The primary suite in this model feels like a true retreat. It has a spacious sleeping area, dual vanities, large walk-in shower, and oversized walk-in closets. It's positioned for privacy from the guest bedroom, which is ideal if you have visiting family or seasonal guests. One of my favorite features in the Dream 2 is the flexible space. That room can become a home office, a media room, a hobby space, or even a 4th bedroom option. Flexibility is important, especially for buyers who split time between Naples, Florida, and another state. In Naples, Florida, outdoor living matters. The Dream 2 gives you covered lanai space, pool options, outdoor kitchen potential, and sliding glass door walls. That connection between indoor and outdoor space really enhances how the home lives day to day. The Dream 2 is a great fit for buyers who entertain frequently, families needing guest space, couples wanting room to grow, seasonal residents who host extended stays, and buyers moving out of dated homes who want new construction without remodeling. It offers that balance of comfort and space without jumping into oversized estate-level maintenance. Many of my clients moving into SkySail tell me the same thing. They want smart home features. They want energy efficiency, impact windows, modern design, and no renovation headaches. And that's the beauty of buying new construction in Naples, Florida. So if you'd like to learn more about the Dream 2 model at SkySail, or compare it to other similar floor plans to see which one fits your lifestyle the most, reach out to me, Chris Alley. I'm a certified luxury home specialist in Naples, licensed real estate agent since the year 2000. People like you call me each and every day. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.